building AI agents? Look, don't fall into this massive trap that costs beginners months of wasted time. If you learn the wrong language, it's just constant friction. You'll literally be fighting your own progress. You'll end up writing endless, messy glue code just to connect the most basic tools together. Other languages guarantee headaches, but Python, it offers a super smooth, native path for AI development. Why? Because every major AI library and package comes out in Python first. It's really that simple. So Python isn't just popular, it's quite literally the native tongue of the entire AI ecosystem. Industry giants like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Hugging Face, they drop their powerful SDKs for Python immediately. Plus, powerhouses like LangChain and LangGraph live in Python, totally cutting down on that messy glue code. And this lets you build Agentic AI, that's multiple smart agents seamlessly collaborating to finish complex tasks. Now, to build them, you gotta manage tokens. That's the literal currency determining your AI costs. Agents also have context windows. Feed them way too much token data, and they'll actually start hallucinating. To fix those hallucinations, we use RAG pipelines. They let your agents securely search your private data. And Python effortlessly handles loading, chunking, and embedding all this data, perfectly prepping it for what's next. That next step is vector databases, like ChromaDB. They are the absolute new gold standard for AI memory. But wait, here's a massive headache. Ask an AI a question, and its output format just randomly changes. Luckily, Python solves this with Pydantic. It forces the AI to deliver definitive, structured answers for production. So, do you need to be some sort of Python master for all this? Absolutely not. You just need basic syntax to act as the glue connecting these incredibly powerful frameworks together. Just follow this blueprint. Refresh those Python basics, learn core LLM concepts, and then build your agents. Stop guessing on your tech stack. Focus exclusively on this one language to dodge endless beginner frustration. Please don't fight the AI ecosystem. Choosing Python means you're picking the path of absolute least resistance. The choice is yours. Will you keep struggling or finally speak the native language of AI?